promised, I've got all the footage together from roll racing on Saturday night. Now, a quick shout out to Roll Racing Brisbane. The stuff that they're doing and taking it off the streets really, I think, is something to note. So that's great, guys. A link to your website is in the comments below. It's cheap. You've got some minimum safety gear. It's in a safe, controlled environment to actually race your car and, you know, pair it up against your mates, take it off the streets, off the highways and all that sort of thing. It's, yeah, it's, seriously guys, be smart, be safe. So that's the perfect environment to do it in. As promised, I've got lots of footage. I've stitched all that together in this compilation. So look, I hope you guys enjoy it. As always, subscribe if you haven't already and click that bell just so you know when I do upload new videos. You'll get a notification as well. Look, if you really do want to support us, you can visit our Patreon page as well, which is linked below. But without further ado, I've got all the footage for you guys, so enjoy. forgot to mention, new owner of the Lexus. You've done stuff to that car that I always wanted to do, but never actually got around doing. So kudos to you. And yeah, thank you for allowing me to see it and even drive it in its current state. And I can't wait to see what you've got in store next. I know that it's not going to be the end of it, and we'll definitely see it again soon.